everyone. We are going to read a book, and the book is about cooking dal. Dal is a soup. You can make dal from lentils. So it's a lentil soup. And this book is Bilal Cooks Dal. And let's see who wrote the book for us and who did all the nice picture means illustration. Bilal Cooks Dal. Let's turn the page. So this is the first page of our book. Bilal is biking outside with his friends. So here. When his father steps out of the house. So father, where is father? Here. Bilal, it's time to begin cooking dinner, says Abu. So Abu is the father. Bilal's friends ask why they would need to start cooking so early. This dish takes patience, Abu says. This dish takes time. Okay. It's the best meal of all, says Bilal. So Bilal is excited. It's dal. So he loves dal. What's dal like? One of his friends asked. Is it salty? Does it taste really good? Another friend asked. Friends are curious, right? His friends want to know about dal. So here, look, Bilal is telling them about dal. Dal is nutty and creamy and warm like soup. There are all different kinds. Come see. You can help us pick which one. We can make dal soup from different kinds of lentils. Let's turn the page here. They take off their shoes. They wash their hands. Bilal grabs his favorite stool. So here are the lentils or dals. They study the colors. So here are the dals, as you guys can see. There are orange, yellow, right? Green, brown, all different colors. Yellow, Elias says, because yellow is sunflowers, rubber ducks and the sun. Yes, it is. And chana dal is my favorite. Bilal says that. So let's turn the page. So on this page, look here. When Abu scoops out a cup of the bright yellow dal, here, dal, lentil. It clatters into the bowl. They are small like pebbles. Very small, right? But shaped like pancakes. And they slip through Bilal's fingers like sand. Yeah, when you grab a lentils, it slips through your fingers. So on this page, look at them. Look, on this page, Bilal and all his friends are here. They line up the spices. Bilal breathes in the scent of turmeric. Morgan splits salt. Elias tries to help. Bilal combines the spices. Abu pulls out a pot, the biggest they have. So here's the biggest pot, and all of them, Bilal's friends and Bilal, helping to pick up the spices and salt, all the ingredients. So let's turn the page here. It looks funny, Morgan frowns. It smells funny, whispers Elias. Do you think it will taste okay? So they are not sure, right? Because they didn't try it before. So look at Bilal when they were talking about the Daal. Look at his face. He is a little worried. And suddenly Bilal is a little tiny bit worried that maybe, just maybe, his friends won't like Daal at all because they are confused, they are not sure, and that made Bilal little worried. So on this page, Abu, the dad, is telling them something. Let's see. Is it ready? Asked Elias. Oh, so they are asking Abu whether the Daal is ready or not. Can we taste? Asked Morgan. No. Abu explains. Daal takes time. We have to wait. The flavor mixed together slowly. You kids go play and have fun while it cooks. So when we cook Daal, it takes a little while. Here, look, Bilal is tying up his shoelace. Maybe they're going outside because Abu told them to go play and wait for the Daal to get ready. So on this page, look, they are outside playing games. They run outside to play hopscotch. They are outside playing hopscotch. They run outside to play hopscotch. Elias numbers the sidewalk to 20. Let's make it longer to 100, he says. It will definitely be done by then. So they are making it longer, right? Because Abu told them Daal takes a little longer, right? So they hop, skip and jump to the end. So if you expand the number, you need more time to finish it, right? Caleb and Emma join too. So 2 more friends join them. Let's check if it's ready. Let's go take a bite. Oops. Can you bite soup? Let's see. So on this page, look at them. They're still playing. Not yet, Bilal tells them. So Bilal knows that how long it takes. Daal takes time. We have to wait. They put on swimsuit, slip down the slide and cannonball into Morgan's pool. So they went to Morgan's swimming pool, right? Elias floats, Morgan dives, some more neighborhood kids join them and they all play Marco Polo. Here. Is the Daal done? Asked Morgan. It's got to be ready by now. That's what Morgan thought. So let's turn the page. Look here, they're still playing in the pool. Bilal squints at the sun. It's not as high in the sky. Almost, he tells them. Daal takes time. We have to wait. Oops, is it taking too long? Let's turn the page. Here on this page, they are still outside. They hike through the forest and skip pebbles in the stream. The sun starts to set. As they watch fireflies glow, they hear Abu call out. So finally, maybe it's done. Bilal, it's almost time. So here on this page, look all the faces here. And here Abu is calling them. They march up the cobblestone steps. They knock on the yellow door, and as loud as they can, they ask, "Is it done?" Look at the faces. Come see, Abu smiles and opens the door wider. The kids rush inside because they have been waiting for a long time. So on this page, look here. On this page, see what all the kids are doing. Bilal lifts up the lid. He picks in the pot. So here is Bilal. They dice up the onions, chop ginger, press garlic, squeeze lemons, and top it off with fresh cilantro. This is what all of them are doing. So all his friends are helping to finish the dal. And here on this page, looks like it is done. They can have it now. Bilal puts out plates. Abu sets out the naan. So here, the naans are here. Pull up every chair in the house. So lots of friends joined Bilal to have the dal. Let's turn the page. So here, look, they're having the dal. Yum! Bilal watches his friends take a spoonful of dal. It's steamy, says Morgan. Like soup, says Elias. It tastes garlicky and salty and sweet. I like the onions. I like the lemon. And the way it's so creamy, it melts in your mouth. Dal takes time. We had to wait. But Bilal, you were right. Dal tastes great. So all his friends are here having the dal and they liked it, right? Bilal looks at his dad and smiles. Abu winks. Look at here. Tasty, isn't it? He says. Like my Ammi once made. Ammi means mother. My friends and I helped her once, like you. So let's turn the page here. So on this page, look. So on this page, dal is tiny, dal is tough, but with a little time and a lot of patience, it becomes the softest, tastiest, best thing in the whole wide world. And the best part is sharing it with friends. Like the way Bilal is doing right now. And you know what? And that's why Bilal loves dal so much. Because he can have it with all his friends. So in this book, provided the recipe here, how to cook dal. And the writer who wrote this book for us said dal is a staple food in much of South Asia. Yeah, and I'm from there too. I love dal too. Including in Pakistan, where Bilal's grandparents grew up. So Bilal is from Pakistan. Dal, also known as lentils in English, is the name of a thick vegetarian stew full of healthy protein and vitamins. There are many different types of dals, each with their own color, shape and flavor. Some cook quickly and some can take all day to make just right. People eat dal with rice, bread and sometimes just with a spoon. Yeah, I like to eat my dal, just the dal, and sometimes with rice, and it's yummy. You guys can try it. That's the end of this book, Bilal Cooks Dal. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.